Alright guys, so we've got it taped. Now we're going to just slide it up on there. Got to make sure your other wire, the wire on, come on around this way. There's a wire right here, and this goes to the mirror. It's got a heated mirror. And then it's got an adjustable mirror here. So, we've got some epoxy. We're going to clean this up with some acetone. We're going to clean this up with some acetone, otherwise known as nail polish. 100% acetone. So we can use the weld on that to weld the old mirror back on. So we don't want that to fall over. I just want to try to get a lot of this junk off of here. It's coming off. Hopefully it won't melt the plastic. I don't think it will. Yeah. This here is the heated mirror. It's also adjustable with the button right here somewhere, right there. And so we're going to put some epoxy on it. Where is the epoxy, Mr. Phil? What did you do? So, this is what we're going to use, quick weld, pretty straightforward instructions. Clean and repair the area, we did that. Squeeze equal parts from the tube onto a disposable surface. Let's just go through. As you can see, the mirror has that same stick on it. You got to get that cleaned off too for the epoxy to work. Believe me, you don't want to drop this mirror. They're not cheap. It's a heated mirror. And it's a Mercedes mirror. Ain't no more special than any other motorized mirror or heated mirror. But just for the mere fact that it's got Mercedes on it, they're going to jack the price on it. Know it, I know it. We'll get it good and cleaned up. Clean it off with some of that acetone. And we'll put some epoxy on it. Kind of test it out real quick. Everything seems to be in order. So I'm going to clean it. stuff off of it as I can. Starting to get dark out here, Mr. Phil.
Yeah.
We have enough light for this video?
Yeah, getting close.
It's still coming up okay on the
Yeah.
viewfinder?
Yep.
We could break out that big eye blinder that we got in the house. I'll finish it tomorrow, 1 to 2. I'd really like to be done with it though. Alright guys, so I've got it all cleaned up pretty good. I've got the other side cleaned up good. And we're going to put equal amounts to these 2 tubes onto the cardboard here. Not going to take a lot. Up. Obviously we're going to need more than that. I'm always thinking waste not, want not. Gotta have enough to make the job work. Put some on the mirror. Oh no, not on the car. We're going to put some on the electric motor. Got to hook our wire up. Right here. Got epoxy on the mirror, better get that off. Got to hook this little wire up to this wire here. How do you do that? Very freaking carefully. I want to cooperate. Got to get it in there before this epoxy starts drying. Alright, I've got it on there. I'm gonna hold it on there. And I finally got it making contact. I'm gonna hold it on there for a couple of minutes. And then we'll just leave it out here overnight to dry. And everything ought to be hunky-dory. Got the light in there, you can see it flashing. Taped together, not gonna come apart. And we're back in business. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.